Just long hair. Let's go, baby. I can wait too early, get some food and dine and dash. Ignorance in my head, fuck whoever you are. Go. You just ate. Yeah. Go. I gotta go live. Keep up with the tempo. That's right. It's right. All right. Right. All right. Let me. No flower in the sky, in my mind. Dude, today, I like. If you look at overall everything that we're looking at, we are sitting nice. Pre-market is consolidated. Like we have great pre-market levels. SPY, y'all already know I don't like trading all-time highs. If you want to trade all-time highs, by all means, grab the all-time highs. All right, I can't do it. I don't know. I just don't like riding it. Maybe I will today. Maybe I'll try something new if we get the right setup, right? But yeah. So without further ado. All right. Yeah. Nice. We got news today at 9, so 8 our time. Job openings. Yeah. So job openings at 9. It's at 10, so it's 9 our time. So let's just make sure that you're careful with that. If you're in a trade, I mean, honestly, who cares? Like, just if it goes the opposite way after news drops, then just get out because it's news. So go with that. But you can see, we'll go down the list. So we have bearish divergence on the 5-minute from but that's the problem that I see, right? So essentially, I feel like that's a reset if it doesn't just reject right here. But that's one of the biggest things for sure to watch is the divergences on the RSI. Excuse me. But yeah. Let's see. That's nice. That's nice. So I think it should hopefully come back down. I would like a pre-market low bounce at that 690. That's kind of where I was expecting to go long. And then take it to previous highs, 692.30. And then $1 after that. Yeah. So we'll see what happens with that. This whole 690.5 to 689 is actually going to be our no trade zone. The reason why this is going to be our no trade zone is because we have a 1 hour fair value gap, right? So I want to give price room to come down into this level and consolidate, chop, do whatever it wants to do right here. And then we're either going to pop below or pop back above. So that is ideally how I would like to see it play out today. Obviously, if pre-market just shoots up, it could just go, and this will be a level for another day. So that's just something to make sure you're patient with, is in the no trade zones. Don't try to anticipate. Don't try to anticipate price just bouncing right here, because now you would have. I mean, it would still be a $1 drawdown, but like if you don't have to have a $1 drawdown, then don't have a $1 drawdown. Like just wait for confirmation, just let it do whatever. And we're either going to go like that, or we're going to go like that, or we're just going to boom, so either scenario, or either any of those scenarios is what I'd be looking for. If neither of them happen, I probably just won't take it. Excuse me. But might be good for this bounce, pre-market bounce. SPY is known for that pre-market bounce. Also, if you take it short, so all right. Also, if you do take it short under 689 and you take it to 687, don't be greedy on the profits. Because it might bounce at that 688.28, but we don't know for sure. So definitely just be patient with it. Wait to see what the RSI is like. I mean, this is a good downside move, right? It's a good downside move. I would still hop in it, and if anything, if we break the 687, add, right? So maybe just go light, stop loss 689, and then right, boom, go light, and then right here, if we get that, then I'll add for the full move down. And that would be nice. That'd be a huge move down. A 687 to 684.5. That'd be sweet. But I really want you. So that's gonna be for SPY, and then Q's gap down. Yes, I'm going. Oh shoot. He knows what is good for him. He best go running high. Sorry, that's weird. Yeah. I don't know. That's weird on the Qs, actually. That's weird. NVIDIA is opening pretty smooth. We just have this range on NVIDIA. So we're I mean, not really in a rush to trade that. This is where people lose their money just trying to trade something for no reason. So if it's not a good setup, don't trade it. It's your money. You're gonna buy something. Throw your money out the window. Sometimes we throw our money out the window. It's a bad trade, but it's a lesson. It's a lesson. All right. Sorry, let me see something. Yeah, it's the back. Wait. All right, so my bad. So yeah, so Nvidia, just wait. I mean, this is either gonna be a sweep, boom, or sweep, go. Potentially all the way to that 181. So you can watch that. You can watch that drop for 181. And then sorry, I got people texting me. What one was my oh, there we go. Okay. So Nvidia. Yeah. Or same thing to the upside. It's gonna go 192, 193 above or chop back in, go down, right? That's all we're watching for. Tesla's pretty nice. Actually Tesla's one of my favorites for the day. Big move potential as long as it doesn't screw us pre-market. Tesla likes to do that. It'll open and just go boom straight to levels. But if it doesn't and it gives us a nice break and retest, I would like to take that to 443. I think that would be a great move. I think that would be a great move. So we'll see. We will see what happens. If not, I'm not. This is all a no trade zone on Tesla. Like this all a no trade zone. All right, so there ain't nothing there to trade. It's gonna get chopped up. Fam. And then 427 to 429. This is our sweep area. So if we see price come into this level, chop and come back up, then we could take that back to 435, right? So 430 to 435, potentially hold to see if we break that 435. We got to see, RSI, volume, et cetera. So, but then if we break through Tesla's 427.5, I would definitely could see it down to 423. And then you can tell with levels, the zones. There's zones, right? If it's close together, it's a no trade zone. Okay. And then you just wait for either reclaim or break below. Like, don't overcomplicate trading. Yeah. Don't overcomplicate it. Have conflict in their lives. All right. So Tesla's top. AMD's top. I love AMD, bro. That was the cleanest move yesterday. I love AMD. So let's see what we get today. We get below this 211. I'm taking it to 206. We got bullish divergence, so we gotta be careful with that. Hopefully, we get a little bounce up and then reject at that 216 because we never retested it. We literally just came down and kept dropping and then held. So I would like to see price come up to here first, and then give us that rejection, and that would be ideal. That'd be an ideal downtrend, right? If not, if it breaks above that 216, you can take it to 220. Just be cautious around 219 because you're gonna be longing into a supply, right? Essentially, so 219.25 would be that. I don't plan on really taking it up. I mean, we can 216 to 219, still a great trade. So yeah. Oh. All right. Sorry, guys. So relaxation. Yeah, that's really the only two outcomes for AMD, which is nice because it leaves it narrow. Tesla, SPY, AMD, Hood. Hood I like as well. Hood is actually really nice. So we came down, right? We broke out. The Hood's actually really nice. I want to take Hood today. So we got this, right? Boom. Break out of it. Retest. Well, how do we know what we're going to do from here? We really have an inverse 1 hour fair value gap and followed by consolidation. So it's a good one. So what we do is wait for that bounce, which it looks like it's coming right too. So we're going to get this bounce right here, take it up, and then potentially to, 125, but at least 123, So that's a $3 move right there. That's a great move. If it does break below, you can take it from 120 to 118, potentially all the way to 115 or 113. But that would be, you got to play it level by level. You could probably just wait in there. You could take it down if you want. You could take it down because then it would go below halfway of the fair value gap, right? That's usually like my rule of thumb to take it to the downside or upside if it breaks the halfway point. So I think that's good. Yeah. And then breakout should go. So we can see that 125 probably. Definitely sweep that 124. So yeah, I like that. That's what I like on Hood. I definitely like that. And if it doesn't, it'll go like that. All right. So a 120 bounce to 123.5 on Hood or below 120 to 118. Solid. Meta, what's Meta doing? Disappointing. When the guns are gone. I guess just wait for above 659 to 662. Nah, that's too small for you guys, especially for how much it costs too. Let's just stick with that. I said, I back this ball for two. Wow. Even Apple. Nah, I really hate trading Apple anyways. Yeah, I hate trading Apple. Let's just stick with that. SPY broke above pre-market, so that's good. Yeah, just those will be our main watches for sure. We'll just do our where's my 4 screen at? There you go. Main watches. Man, that's nice. Yeah. It's an easy pre-market. I like it. It's not complicated levels. It's pretty simple. Wait for 9 o'clock news. Hopefully get some good price action. All right, let's go. And then since you're on here already, give me 5 minutes and we'll go do our Bible verse of the day. All right. It's your boy Mike Lowry. Be patient. Let's go.